everybody. I'm Anjali Wadir from Grade 7A, and today I'll be presenting a PPT presentation on grey water. Fresh water is something many of us take for granted. We are so used to turning on the tap every day without really thinking how we can use water efficiently. Well, this can be done simply by reducing the use of fresh water and reusing the water. The main objective of my presentation is to explain and emphasize the use of grey water and its effect on plant growth and health. Before that, let us know the main difference between grey water and black water. Grey water is the wastewater that we get from our kitchen waste pipe, laundry waste pipe, and our bathrooms, whereas black water is the toilet water containing toilet waste, which is toxic and cannot be poured on plants directly. You can also conduct a small experiment to find out whether grey water can be used for irrigating or growing plants. For that, you will have to do some background research on the grey water and the type of plants you are using. To perform the experiment, you will need two sets of the same plant. One set will be watered with fresh water, whereas the other set will be watered with a grey water. You will have to do this for a few days and note down your observation. The observation that we may see is the color change in the leaf or whether the stem is droopy or not. But you'll be surprised to see that both the sets of plants have grown pretty well. This shows that the plant's growth depends on what chemical is present in the grey water, and the chemicals can make the soil either alkaline or acidic. However, there are some variations that we may see. Like some types of plants may grow well with grey water, whereas some types of plants may not grow well with grey water. Since grey water is more alkaline, plants like lily will grow well in it. But on the other hand, a magnolia plant will not grow well with grey water. So, how does grey water affect the plant growth? The first thing you have to remember is never rely solely on grey water to water plants. Grey water containing harmful or non-eco-friendly detergents can adversely affect the plant's growth. The salt present in the detergents or soaps will mix with the soil and change the soil's concentration. It will make the soil alkaline, and the plants suited to such alkaline soil will be able to grow, whereas the acidic-based plants will not be able to grow. Hence, it is better that grey water is treated and the harmful chemicals are removed, because the chemicals present in detergents will break the waxy coating on the leaves of the plants and will result in water loss, and thus will destroy the plant. Furthermore, treated grey water is much better for watering ornamental plants and edible plants for some extent. So how do you treat grey water? We treat grey water by softening the water by adding chemicals like ammonia, borax, slaked lime, or washing soda. These chemicals will react with the chemicals present in the grey water and will form an insoluble substance that can be removed. So, over here I have a sample of grey water, and after treating it with slaked lime, I got clear water. You can see the same thing in the picture. Grey water treatment plant. A grey water treatment filtration system should be installed in every household and commercial establishment, so that there is a less burden on the public sewerage systems. It enhances the efficiency of municipal systems and ensures the improved public health. Parts of grey water treatment plant. Collection point. It is the starting point of treatment system where the water gets collected from the property. It is important that the collection points are properly maintained. Aerobic screening. It is the process of removing insoluble material from the wastewater. The process efficiently reduces the material into almost negligible residue, which is discharged into public sewerage. Biological treatment. In this process, air is flown into the water so that bacteria can consume impurities up to a large extent. 99% of water can be reused after this treatment. Ultrafiltration. Special membranes with microscopic pores prevent bacteria, virus, and particles. It is called ultrafiltration process. Chlorination. Chlorine is added to the water in reticulation and storage system. It removes impurities by ionizing water molecules. Lastly, storage. Treated clean water is kept in the storage unit so that it can be used in several applications: toilet flushing, surface irrigation, automobile cleaning purposes, etc. So, how do you recycle grey water at home? Well, you can recycle grey water by either collecting the water and using it in your toilet bowls, And the second way is to collect the water in a bucket and directly pour it into the plants in your garden. The way to divert water to your garden is by using a three-way valve as shown in the inset image. This three-way valve will connect either your kitchen waste pipe or your laundry waste pipe to your garden. So, how does grey water help the environment? There are two benefits of usage of grey water. 1. Reducing the need of fresh water, and 2. Reducing the amount of wastewater entering the sewers or wastewater treatment plants. So I would like to conclude by stating that grey water is much better for plants than no water at all. Grey water is considered as a wastewater by most of the people. However, it is beginning to be treated and used as fresh water around the world in places dealing with shrinking amount of fresh water. So let us take the first step towards conservation of water by using grey water. For more information, you can refer to these links that show how grey water is used and how saving water is made easy. Remember, every drop of water counts. Thank you.